Let's get better at reading American English. The first sound we're going to talk about is when Y has a long I sound. I, 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 I. It's far more common that Y has a long E sound. E, 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 E. This is ow, 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 ow. The hard C sound is k, 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 k. And the soft C sound is s, 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 s. Y has a long I sound at the end of very short words, but most of the time, if it's after a consonant at the end of a word, it will have a long E sound. Ow is the most common sound of OU, but it does have other sounds. Let's practice with some words. All of these words have the long I sound. Look how short they are. Spy, spry, dry, fry. Notice these words are longer, and we have a consonant followed by a Y at the end, so we try the long E sound. Happy, messy, belly, baggy. We will use the OU sound of ow. Foul, sour, loud. CH says ch most of the time. Ouch. We use the hard C sound of k before the letters A, O, U, and all consonants. Cot, cut, can, con. We use the soft C sound of S before the letters E, I, or Y. Sell, dice. Notice in this word, the E not only makes the C take its soft sound of S, but makes the I have the long sound of I. Dice, sight, face. Here we have the word proud with OU having the OW sound. We can add the suffix ly at the end and we get proudly. This tells us the manner that somebody did something. They did it proudly. Here we have loud, loudly. Somebody played an instrument loudly. Here we have nice, where the E makes the C have its soft sound of S and makes the I have the long I sound. We have the suffix ly and we get nicely. Remember that QU says qu and that C and K together have the sound of k. So we have quick, quickly, public, publicly. Let's practice all of these sounds together. Out. This I will make the C have the S sound. Civic, snout, try, jelly. SH says sh, shy, because this is a short word. This is a longer word, so use the long E sound. Dizzy, soft C because of the E. Scent, cloud, aptly, couch. Notice CH says ch. Since, hobby, sadly, sound. Let's practice with some sentences. It fell out and made Cindy cry. Notice the I makes C have its soft sound of S, and the Y is after a consonant at the end of a longer word, so it has a long E sound. So this is the name Cindy. Sadly, the cat got stuck in the cell. Silly doggy, get out of the box. Sly means clever or sneaky. Here you can see the Pink Panther looks like he's trying to sneak along. Sloppy means messy or careless. This is a very sloppy looking room. Bound means fastened or glued, or it can also mean that you're required to do something. Here, the person's hands have been bound with the ropes. And cell refers to a single room for one person, such as in jail, or it's also the basic building block of plants and animals. If you found this useful, please share it with others on X, Facebook, and WhatsApp.